Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, a city where tradition meets modernity, and the skyline tells a story of ambition and innovation. Today, we explore the iconic skyscrapers that define this vibrant metropolis. Our journey begins with the Petronas Twin Towers, the crown jewels of Kuala Lumpur. Standing at 451.9 meters, these towers were the tallest buildings in the world from 1998 to 2004 and remain the tallest twin towers globally. Designed by Argentine architect Cesar Pelli, the towers symbolize Malaysia's rapid modernization and economic growth. The towers are not just architectural marvels but also cultural icons, representing Malaysia's aspirations on the global stage. Next, we visit Merdeka 118, the newest addition to Kuala Lumpur's skyline. At 678.9 meters, it is the tallest building in Malaysia and the second tallest in the world. This towering structure is a testament to Malaysia's vision for the future, blending modern design with sustainable building practices. Merdeka 118 is more than just a skyscraper, it's a beacon of progress and a symbol of the nation's forward-thinking spirit. The Exchange 106, standing at 453.6 meters, is another towering achievement in Kuala Lumpur. Located in the Tun Razak Exchange Financial District, this skyscraper is designed to be a hub for business and commerce. Featuring state-of-the-art office spaces and amenities. With its strategic location and cutting-edge facilities, the Exchange 106 is set to become a cornerstone of Kuala Lumpur's economic landscape. No tour of Kuala Lumpur's skyline would be complete without the Kuala Lumpur Tower, or KL Tower. At 421 meters, it is one of the tallest telecommunications towers in the world. Beyond its primary function, KL Tower offers breathtaking views of the city and serves as a cultural and entertainment venue. KL Tower stands as a symbol of connectivity and cultural exchange, bridging the past and the future. As night falls, Kuala Lumpur's skyline transforms into a dazzling display of lights, each skyscraper telling a story of ambition, innovation, and progress. These iconic buildings are not just structures of steel and glass, they are the heartbeats of a city that never stops dreaming. The city's main hub is called the Golden Triangle, which comprises Bukit Bintang, KLCC, and Chinatown. Expansive shopping malls like Pavilion KL and Surya KLCC are among the biggest attractions in the city. These grand shopping places host a wide range of upmarket labels from all over the world. Beyond Kuala Lumpur's glass, steel, and concrete, you'll find plenty of green spaces and natural attractions for a respite. Just a short drive from the city, you can explore lush forested hills with hiking trails leading to waterfalls.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and hit like button to show your support on this channel. Take care and all the best. Don't forget to visit my TikTok and Instagram channel for quick update video. Bye and see you in my next video.
Zooming in on towers, skyscraping dreams, taking flight with drones, vision on beams. STYFLY so steady, got that eagle eye. Soaring through the city, watching buildings fly. Malaysia rooftops, camera tricks so mean. Angle sharper than a spy's laser beam. High above the traffic, chaos getting small. STYFLY shots makes the tallest stand tall. Moving with precision, genius in the air. Epic action movies, STYFLY's everywhere. Sky so electric, night scenes blare. Droning through the turbulence, styling without care. Cityscape symphony, every shot precise. Malaysia's heartbeat captured, looking twice. Drone tech magician, footage so elite. Turning mundane streets into Hollywood streets. Daredevil pilot, no fear in his veins. Urban jungles master, no need for chains. STYFLY Malaysia, creating pure gold. Action movie reels worth more than untold. Moving with precision, genius in the air. Epic action movies, STYFLY's everywhere. Sky so electric, night scenes blare. Droning through the turbulence, styling without care. Cityscape symphony, every shot precise. Malaysia's heartbeat captured, looking twice. Drone tech magician, footage so elite. Turning mundane streets into Hollywood streets.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and hit like button to show your support on this channel. Take care and all the best. Don't forget to visit my TikTok and Instagram channel for quick update video. Bye and see you in my next video.